Today we're going to make these freezer-friendly blueberry oat muffins. This recipe will make 24 large muffins or 48 mini muffins that you can keep in your freezer. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups milk, 2 cups oats, 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, room temperature, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups blueberry, 1 tablespoon flour, and because butter is high in saturated fat, we're going to replace butter with applesauce. Baking is a science, so it's important to measure out our flour correctly. We'll start by loosening the flour with a spoon. Then you'll spoon enough flour into the measuring cup until the flour overflows. Using the back of a knife, level off the top of the flour until it's nice and smooth on top. Mix together the milk and the oats and let it sit for 20 minutes. Whisk the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt together in a large bowl until combined, and then set aside. Now mix the applesauce, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract until combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir it a few times. Now add in the oat and milk mixture. Before we add in the blueberries, we want to toss them with a tablespoon of flour. This will help the blueberries not sink to the bottom of the muffin pan whenever you're cooking it. Gently fold in the blueberries with a rubber spatula. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to fill in your muffin pan. We want to get a really nice rise on our muffins, so we'll start baking them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, and then we'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. For mini muffins, bake for 11 minutes. Baking it at that high heat in the beginning gave it a really nice muffin top. You can freeze these muffins for up to 3 months in a labeled freezer-safe Ziploc bag. Thaw them overnight in a refrigerator or microwave them. We provide nutrition education opportunities for adults and children, as well as healthy community efforts throughout Terrebonne and Lafourche Parish. For information on our nutrition education programs, call your local extension office.